Welcome back to Remote Life with Jacq, where I will be sharing customer service job leads that are hiring right now. All are fully remote and beginner friendly, so let's get into these roles. Our first role is coming from Motorola as a customer service representative administrator. This is a full-time remote position within these 25 locations. So if you are within those 25 locations and you're interested in this position, the link will be in the description to apply. Please note, this is a fully remote and the candidate may reside anywhere within the United States as well. So what you will do in this role, you will manage and organize customer accounts in a system. You will assign field agents to recovery cases, update accounts with new client information, as well as coordinate recovery efforts to secure collateral. You will provide clear direction to field agents via phone, and you will also handle all tasks 100% online. What they're looking for is someone with strong phone skills, strong multitasking organization skills, and 2 years experience with collateral repossession preferred. Also, someone who has that collections experience will be beneficial. This position starts at $40K per year, ending at $45, which all depends on your location and your experience. The requirements is a high school diploma or GED, 2 years customer service and account management experience, and you must have authorization to work in the U.S. If this is something that you are interested in, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next two roles are coming from Clarative. The first position is a patient intake advocate. This is a full-time work-from-home position within the United States. For this role, this position may be located anywhere in any time zone. The work schedules are as followed, as you can see below. So what you will do in this role, you will answer incoming calls and manage phone lines. You will assist members and providers and clients with claims, bills, and appeals. You will also educate members on the patient advocacy process. You will match incoming claims to correct providers using internal systems. Document all claim activity and interactions. You will manage daily claim workload and prioritize tasks. For this role, it does pay $18.25 per hour. What they would like to see is a high school diploma and 1 year of customer service experience. You must have strong communication, multitask, and organization skills. This is a great entry into the healthcare remote customer service role. So if this is something that you're interested in, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role from Clarative is a service advisor. This is a full-time work-from-home position within the United States. For this role, it does pay $19 an hour. Also, you will have a steady Monday through Friday, 40-hour per week schedule. If you're listed in those time zones, that will be your schedule. So what you would do in this role, you will handle inbound calls and assist customers with questions, document and input cases into the tracking system. You will respond to online questions from clients, providers, and employees. You will also resolve issues while meeting quality and productivity goals. You will maintain HIPAA compliance and protect sensitive data. Again, for this role, it is $19 per hour. You must have a high school diploma or GED. You must have strong customer service and call center experience, as well as the ability to meet performance metrics. You must also have basic computer skills and also excellent communication and multitasking skills. So if this is something that you're interested in, the link will be in the description to apply. Our next role comes from Premera Blue Cross as a FEP customer service representative. This is a full-time remote position. For this role, they are hiring for these following locations. So if you're listed in those locations, definitely apply. In this role, it is a Monday through Friday, 8-hour shift between 5 a.m. and 8 p.m. It is 12 weeks of paid virtual training. 100% attendance is required. So what you will do in this role is handle inbound and outbound calls with first call resolution, assist members and providers with claim benefits and questions, as well as research issues, provide accurate information, and de-escalate calls. You will document all interactions and update the system. You will route complex cases to the correct department, as well as maintain HIPAA compliance. What is required is a high school diploma or GED, 2 years of customer service experience, as well as the ability to multitask across systems. They will also like to see basic Microsoft Office skills, as well as preferred healthcare, insurance, or call center experience. In this role, it does pay 38,000 ending at 57,000, which all depends on your location and your experience. So, if you're within those following locations and you're interested in the customer service representative position, the link will be in the description to apply. Our last role comes from Bass Lake The Pines Resort as a live chat support clerk. This is a full-time remote role. The pay starts at $32, ending at $36 an hour, which all depends on your location and your experience. So, what you would do is respond to guest questions via live chat. You will assist with reservations, booking, cancellations, and changes. You will share information on rooms, dining, and local attractions, as well as handle guest concerns with professionalism and empathy. You will coordinate with front desk, housekeeping, and other teams, as well as upsell packages and promotions, update guest records in the booking property systems, and escalate complex issues when needed. You will also follow up to confirm reservations and satisfaction. What they would like to see is someone with a high school diploma or GED, 1 to 2 years of customer service, hospitality, or chat support experience, strong written communication skills, the ability to multitask, multiple chat conversations. You must have basic computer skills and you must be detail oriented. If this role is something that you're interested in, the link will be in the description to apply. I hope these remote job leads help you get one step closer to your next opportunity. Don't forget to like, follow, and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.